the world through their eyes, diving into Third-Person Limited POV. Hey there, language enthusiasts! Today, we're delving into a fascinating area of creative writing, the third-person limited point of view. Have you ever read a story where you feel close to a character, understanding their thoughts and feelings, yet not getting the entire scope of every character's internal world? That's third-person limited for you. Let's break it down. In third-person limited POV, the narrator knows the thoughts and feelings of just one character, usually the protagonist. We experience the story through that character's eyes, but with a little distance. Unlike first person, where I or we are used, third-person limited uses he, she, or they, but keeps the reader close to the central character. Why would writers choose this point of view? Intimacy with a single character. We gain a deep understanding of one character's feelings, reactions, and experiences. Maintaining some mystery. This POV prevents us from knowing everything about every character, adding a layer of suspense or surprise. Flexibility. While centered around one character, the writer can still describe events that happen outside of that character's presence, unlike in first person. Let's look at a brief example. Jane watched the sunset, its fiery hues reflecting her burning anger. She didn't understand why Mark acted so distant today. Around her, the party continued, but all she could think about was that cold conversation. Notice how we feel close to Jane, understanding her emotions, but we don't know why Mark was distant from his perspective. 1. Character's day. Write a short paragraph describing a character's day from a third-person limited point of view. Focus on their feelings and perceptions, without diving into others' internal worlds. 2. React to an event. Describe a major event, like a surprise party or a city parade, from the perspective of one character. How do they feel about it? 3. Switch the POV. Take a piece of writing in another point of view, like first-person or third-person omniscient, and rewrite it in third-person limited. Notice how it changes the narrative. Exploring the third-person limited point of view opens up a world of depth and intimacy in storytelling. It's a beautiful balance between the vast scope of third-person omniscient and the closeness of first-person. We hope you enjoyed this dive into one of the many tools in a writer's toolkit. Keep practicing and happy writing.